this morning, I'm having problems with my yellow-winged Amazon, Tiko. He has been screaming. Hi, Tiko. Hi. And I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with him. Of course, he can't use words to tell me. Hi, Tiko. And now that the camera's on him, he's being more quiet. But when you have a parrot, you have to learn to listen to them. You have to tap into a feminine flow of energy, which is receptive and which can listen to... Yeah? Listen to more than just words. Get a feel, get a scent. Hi, Tiko. What's going on today, huh? What's going on? And this is something that I don't feel like is a strength of mine. I really want to get better at it. Hey, Tiko. I did refill his food. He's got brand new food. And if that had done it, I think he'd be eating it. What's up, Tiko? So it's not easy because you just kind of have to spend some time staring. And he is a little puffed up. So maybe he just isn't feeling too good today. Everybody has bad days. And parrots certainly do too. What's up, Tiko? What's up? Hi, Tiko. Hi, Tiko. What a beautiful shot of his backside. The nice thing is Tiko's got nice feathers. Generally speaking, he seems very healthy and very happy. Do you want some pets? This is how I, in body language, offer pets. You want some pets? And do you see how his feathers are fluffed up? That's yes, although he's cautious today. What's up, Tiko? So, you know, your birds, they have good days and bad days, and that's a part of what you have to do. You have to learn to listen to them. Not always easy. Yep. All right, Tiko, I'll keep my eye on you. Keep checking in.